Hello everyone. My name is Chhavi, and I am currently pursuing a web development and designing internship at Oasis Infobyte. Today, I am excited to present my project submission, which showcases the skills I have learned and applied during this internship journey. First, I would like to introduce the organization that gave me this opportunity, Oasis Infobyte. They are a leading software development company with a very important mission: bridging the gap between academic learning and real-world industry implementation. They offer internship programs across several dynamic domains, including web development and designing, which is my domain, Android app development, data science, and Java programming. It has been an excellent platform for me to gain practical experience. To successfully complete this internship, I was required to build a specific project. I chose Level 2, Task 3, which is to develop a basic to-do web app. The main objective was to create a functional web application that allows users to manage their daily tasks efficiently. The key requirements for this task were: user input. The app must accept a title and a description for tasks. Edit and delete. Users should be able to modify or remove tasks easily. Categorization. There must be a clear separation between pending and completed lists. Data persistence. This is crucial. The app must save data so that no tasks are lost when the page is refreshed. To build this application, I chose a clean and standard tech stack to demonstrate a strong grasp of the fundamentals. HTML5. I used this for the semantic structure and layout of the page. CSS3. This handles the responsive design, the grid layout, and uses CSS variables for the theming. JavaScript, ES6. This powers the logic, DOM manipulation, and event handling. LocalStorage API. I utilized this to store user data directly within the browser. VS Code. This was my integrated development environment, IDE, for writing and managing the code. Before we look at the code, let me highlight the specific features that make this project stand out. Smart categorization. The app automatically sorts tasks into pending or completed columns based on their status. Dark mode support. I built a dynamic theme engine using CSS variables to ensure eye comfort. Data persistence. By using local storage, tasks are saved permanently in the browser. Timestamps. The app auto-generates the exact time a task was created or completed. Responsive UI. The design adapts seamlessly to both desktop and mobile screens. Now, let's move to the live project demo. I will walk you through the functionality, the responsiveness, and the code. In index.html, I have structured the app into three main parts: the header, which holds the theme toggle, the input card for adding tasks, and a grid container that holds our two lists, pending list and completed list. In style.css, the most important part is the variables section. You can see I defined my colors in the root. When the user toggles the theme, I simply add a .dark mode class to the body, which overrides these variables. This makes the app lightweight and fast. In script.js, I'm using an array called tasks to hold the data. The add task function creates a new object with a unique ID and timestamp. The render function loops through this array. If a task is marked completed, it renders it in the right column. Otherwise, it goes to the left. Now, let's see it working in the browser. 1. Adding tasks. I will add a task. Title. Submit project. Description. Upload video to LinkedIn. Click Add. It appears instantly in the pending column with the current time. 2. Editing. I can click the edit icon, the pen, to change Submit Project to Final Submission. It updates immediately. 3. Categorization. When I click the check button, the task moves from the pending column to the completed column. The style changes to show it is done. 4. Dark mode. If I click this button in the header, the entire app switches to a dark theme, which is great for working at night. 5. Persistence. Now, the most important test. I will refresh the page. As you can see, the tasks are still there. The data persistence is working perfectly. That concludes my presentation. I have successfully met all the requirements of Level 2, Task 3. The source code is uploaded to my GitHub repository, and you can find the link on the screen and in the description. I want to say a big thank you to Oasis Infobyte for this amazing learning opportunity. It has truly helped me improve my web development skills. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.